How to make no one can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in bottom corner and go down, click settings and then click privacy, and here just go down until you find this one, who can join me in experiences. Click on it and then select no one, and now as you see no one can join me in experiences on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and then see you in the next video.